Hello friends, and here we are welcoming you again on this channel, The Physics Duo, with another fresh video. And today's topic is Apophis asteroid. So its full name is 99942 Apophis, which is a near-Earth asteroid with a diameter of about 370 meters. It caused a brief period of great concern in December 2004. Why? So let's begin. There are absolutely numerous asteroids in space which pass from near the Earth. But why are we only concerned about the Apophis asteroid? It is because it indicated up to 2.7% probability that it would hit Earth or Moon on 13th April 2029, not only in 2029 but also in 2036 and 2068.
This asteroid was first found in the year 2004 December. After that, scientists have been precisely studying about its orbital path and every single detail of that asteroid. Very recent studies suggest that in the year 2029 and 2036, this asteroid will just fly by the Earth. That means you can see this asteroid with your naked eyes. But in the year 2016-8, scientists are not sure whether this asteroid will hit or not, because the recent studies and calculations show that there is a high possibility of this asteroid hitting our planet.
We can of course be positive and think that it is not going to hit our planet. But what if it does? So we have to be enlightened enough to know its impacts. According to Century Risk Table, the Apophis would impact the Earth with the kinetic energy of about 1200 megatons of TNT. The Arizona impact 50,000 years ago and the Tunguska event of 1908 were a result of 3 to 10 megatons. Just imagine what would Apophis do with such a huge impact of about 1200 megatons.
One such incident which occurred on the face of Earth was the crashing of Chicxulub crater. If you didn't understand what I said, it is the same asteroid which wiped off all the dinosaurs from their age.
As I've already told you that the chances of Apophis hitting the Earth are comparatively higher in 2068. So don't you guys think that we need a planetary defense in this case? That is why NASA and ESA, the European Space Agency, have decided to plan a test of asteroid deflection strategy on a real asteroid in 2022. And this real asteroid is informally known as Didymoon, which is 150 meters wide. This asteroid will be thrown out of its course if the test is successful, of course. For this mission, so many scientists from US and Europe have joined the forces. Let's hope for the best. By this growing technology nowadays, I am 100% sure that by 2068, we are going to have something to save ourselves from this unwanted disaster if it happens. So, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down, share your views, and also subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell for more updates.